can be putting on my suit and tie my tie, and I'm a farmer.
Yes, exactly.
Wow. Today I get to realize that this can make you wealthy.
The company does all the planting. We are not planting seedlings. We are planting already growing palm.
Some people have enough money, they don't know what to invest on. But I want to show you something. Do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? Wow. This is one of the biggest investment you can go into. Now, I'm here in a farmland called the Royal Palm Estate. So I want to show you how to invest in the oil world of palm tree. I'm here with...
My name is Rose.
Wow.
Welcome to Royal Palm Investment. This is an investment that will bring you a lot. If you are looking for something tangible, something consistent to put your money into, that will yield you interest year after year, you think of investing in Royal Palm Investments. Yes. So this is how it works. Over the years, we realized that a lot of people have been buying land, buying properties in locations that are yet to be developed. You know, and then this property is just there for 5, some people even 10 years. The property they bought is there, though it's appreciating in value, but they are not making money from their land. So few real estate companies are thinking outside the box, and we're saying, what can we do to help our clients earn money off their land? So instead of you just buying your land and leaving it there and say, oh, I cannot farm, I'm not into farming, I can't build into say because the location is still not developed. Okay. What we do is when you buy from us, we will plant Tineri breed of palm tree that brings out a lot of oil when processed, and then we'll process it, sell it, and then pay you, the owner of the land, 60% dividends, while the company retains 40%. Yes, so you start earning when the palm tree starts fruiting, but you earn consistently. Once it starts fruiting, you start earning consistently year after year, so your land is not just appreciating alone, you are making money off your land. And if development finally comes to the location, you can either build or resell your land, still making extra out of it. So it's a win-win situation. You are buying the land that belongs to you. If you want to resell, it's still yours. If you want to build, you have a lot of options. So yes, it's a good investment. And
there are some questions some people will want to ask about investing in this kind of projects, because to me, this is what I eat every day, and today I get to realize that this can make you wealthy if you put it in the right channel. Now, how can one invest in Royal Palm Investment Estate?
That is very easy. Our payment plan is very flexible, and we made it something millions of Nigerians can afford. So we didn't just think of, oh, let's sell in acres, let's sell in hectares. No, we are selling even one plot. Yes. So the goal is to make all Nigerians invest. We are selling even one plot. So one plot for the promo price goes for 800,000 naira.
Fantastic.
Yes. And you can pay within 3 months to spread your balance. So with an initial deposit of just 150,000 naira, you are a landowner in Royal Palm Investments, where you'll be making consistent and permanent dividends. So yes, we have one plot for promo price of 800,000 naira. From next month to be 890,000 naira. Yes, we don't sell 2 plots, we sell 1 plot, 3 plots, 6 plots, and like that, just like that. And we'll plant 10 Tineri breed palm trees on it, so you'll be earning on that. So the more land, the more plots you buy, or the acres you buy, like the more you earn. Yes, so that's the best part.
Wow, that's amazing, because it makes it so easy and flexible for ones to even start to invest in this project. Now, people may ask, how will they manage the investment, or who manage the investment for them? So throw more light to that.
Okay, here's the thing. You are not going to be tilling the soil. You're not going to be getting your hands dirty.
Are you serious?
Doing the farm work. Yes, 100%.
So I can be tying tie.
Yes.
I can be putting on my suit and tie my tie, and I'm a farmer.
Yes, exactly.
Wow.
So the company does all the planting. The company does all the processing of the oil, even do the selling of the palm oil, and then you, the client, only have to come to inspect when you like, at your own call. When you have time and say, oh, I want to inspect the land and see how my land is doing, I want to see how my palm is doing, you come to the office, we take you at no extra cost to see your property. So that's the best part. The company does all the planting. Professionals are the ones going to be nurturing the palms and processing the oil. Another best part of all of this is, if you don't want your dividends to be paid in cash, you can take your oil. Yes, so you choose what to do with your oil. If you want to sell, if you want to just share it among your family, yes. So yes, that's what we do.
All right, there's one question that is bothering me I want to address now. Is there any external body that your company partner with to facilitate this project?
Yes, very much. Our partners are Nigerian Institute for Oil Palm Research. They are experts, they are professionals in palm trees. So they are the ones that's going to supplying us this scenery breed that we are going to be planting. So we are not planting seedlings, we are planting already growing palm. So they're the ones that will supply us, so we just clear and then they'll plant. Yes, that's how it works. So it's a very professional body that is supplying us the palm. Specific breed, scenery, yes.
Okay, they are the ones to plant for you.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
So that means you are giving value to the farm projects.
Exactly.
By bringing
value.
in professionals.
Exactly.
To handle it.
Exactly.
Fantastic.
Yes. We have
So,
our clients at heart.
Is there anything you want to say to our clients?
Profit is the goal. We want Nigerians to be making profit off investment because it's very profitable to invest. You can't even go wrong investing in palm oil because palm oil doesn't spoil. Like, it's not going to spoil in 1-2 months. Like, I left it and then it got spoiled. No. And the price hardly drops. So it's going higher and higher. And the breed we are planting makes it even more profitable. Yes. So it's either you get your dividends paid into your account or you come get your palm oil yourself. Palm oil is not perishable easily. Yeah. So you're gaining, you're winning from investing with us.
Wealth making, they said, is not easy. But I want to tell you, the only real investment or the real wealth making is real estate wealth making. And how does that work? Is by palm oil investment. Right now, the number shown on the screen, call the number. We'll be here to assist you to own your own palm estate. For you to be successful in this, you need to take action now. Call the number shown on the screen. We'll be there to assist you.